CreateatRobinsHouse. Today I'm working on the Pretty Party card kit. It's one of these brown box kits that you can purchase. They're ready to go. So this exact one has a little stamp set with some nice birthday messages on there, an ink spot of Cajun Craze, and it also has a little like 2x2 block in there. This kit, which I'm doing in June. I'm featuring in June. You can usually get it before and after. It has this gold foil confetti, including on the back side, which how fun is that? And then you pop up the balloons so that they're on a different dimension, and you have the messages. They're so cute, and it's lots of fun. And so again, on the back side, and you could totally cut these cards apart and get twice as many cards out of it. You usually do get a few extra message tags, but not enough to do tons of cards, but enough to make a mistake or, eke out an extra card or two using a lot of the same elements. So anyway, this is Pretty Party, and thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting!